Hey guys, so here is going to be your last population assignment. After we get back from the semester break, we're going to start religion, which is so fun. So you're going to go into modules, of course, and then go down here, like this, development in motion. So you're going to be looking at like population and some population statistics like over time, which is pretty cool. So when you click on this, it's going to have you go to a website called Gapminder, which is a really cool way to like visualize information, and it's kind of cool because it goes like through time and space. So you're going to click on this and you'll be in Gapminder bubbles, and you'll change the graph to compare the following two indicators: population control and children per women on the x-axis. So you'll have to play the graph a couple of times to help you answer the questions. So you can also use like the how-to button besides this video to show you if it doesn't make sense. So up here is the how-to use button, and it's just a 2-minute guide like through about what to do. You can also click on PDF if you don't want to watch the video but you want to figure out what to do. So here is the X and Y axis, right? So we have, it has life expectancy and income. So we need to go back in here and see what were the ones. So on the Y axis, we want vertical and children per woman on the on the X axis. So going over here, so life expectancy. So we're gonna do, sorry, I already forgot. This is bad, right? Population total. So click on this and we're going to do population. And that should have been, let me make sure I got total population. Population, right? Okay. Population. Total population. Okay, so we're good on that. So here I changed the population. Then the other one, we want to do children or women total fertility. So clicking down here, okay, children, a lot of times we have to go to health, children per woman. Well, I guess I can make it easier too and do children per, wow, what are you doing? Gosh, guys. There we go. And here is the graph. Okay, so it goes up to 2009. So down here is the play button. So we're going to play this. Okay, these different colors here. Oh, when you click, it shows you like India, Ethiopia. The colors represent this on the world map. So you'll go through and watch that. I'm going to hit pause on that for a second and then go through here and answer these questions. Okay, then you're going to set up the graph to these things here. Okay, and then then you're going to go through and choose, oh sorry, I don't know why it made the graph so easy to come up, so I'll fix that for you guys. But you're going to change it, the x-axis, to show income per person, and then you're going to select 3 countries, 1 low income, so like we talked about like the Ghana being really low, 1 middle income and 1 high income. And then you're going to select indicators to see how things change. So on your x-axis here, this is where you're going to have income, and then income per person, and then here you're going to choose different ones and then write down, okay, are they high, are they low, like where are they at with that, if that makes sense on here. Okay, and then down here just write a summary of what you found out. Okay, and if you don't finish this, it will be in your Friday assignment. All right, have fun, guys. Bye.